today.
Blue.
And pup 1 and pup 2 are here with
Dog.
today.
A dog.
Puppy dogs are here today.
Dog. This is it.
So we call them pup 1, pup 2 are here today.
And bunny.
And brown bunny. So today we have got a Canon 80D camera. Yeah, so we've got a Canon 80D camera today.
Canon.
And we turn it around the side, the buttons. There we go. 80D, Canon 80D.
No.
Turn it right around. Side, Canon 80D camera, and then Bunny, round bunny. We'll look at what's on.
The black one.
Look at these first.
The black one.
Okay, these are our SD cards. We've got 2 because we didn't know what to buy. So the first one we got was this 4K one, which is quite more expensive. But
That's expensive too.
this 64 one that hasn't got 4K.
But it's helping.
Basically, it's the same, except you're paying more for the 4K than you are for
It's
the one that
sitting.
doesn't say 4K. So Bunny
Brown dog.
and Puppy 1 and Puppy 2
Brown dog. Yeah, Bunny's a
are
psyche.
helping us today. with
Bunny's
our
a
review.
psyche.
Yeah, oh, Bunny's jumping. He's a bit wiggly today. He's a bit hypey today. Bunny's really hypey today.
Let's over. Go high. Wee.
Go high, okay.
Okay.
Here's the battery charger. There we go. Have a good look at that. Looks pretty cool. Charger batteries in it. Plugs into the power point to charge. This is the battery. We'll take the battery out.
I take it. Take this one out.
You're taking the strap out. Brandon's going to take the strap out. That's the battery.
Ow. Ow.
Looks like
What's that?
pretty cool.
What's out? Be careful.
And the strap.
Swap.
It's got the lens. Brooke's got the lens. There's the lens.
Swap.
Canon. Canon on there. That's the strap. This is the strap that comes with it. So you don't. So the camera. Oh, it's got 80D on there. It's a strap of 80D that's going to help us not drop the camera, hopefully. It's Canon. The logo of Canon looks pretty good. Another logo here, so it's got 3 logos. 1, 2, 3 logos on this strap, so it's pretty cool. It's nice black and red.
What
Have a look. The battery. Yeah, that's a camera. Here's the battery. It's brown. What's it sort of
Bubbles. What?
browny colour, isn't it? Yep, we've got that. That's the battery charger. Yeah, we'll just have a look. And this is the cord for the battery charger. So charge up the battery. Looks like Brandon wants to open it for us.
It's a camera inside.
There's a camera inside.
Careful.
Yeah,
This is camera.
it's very heavy. Is it heavy?
It's not heavy.
It's not heavy. Let's put it in front of the camera. Let's put it in front of the camera.
It's in the front
Camcorder,
already.
I should say. Look at that.
It's a camcorder.
Oh, no, this is the camera. We're actually filming with a camcorder at the moment. So we'll do a review on that later.
I think baby likes it.
So this is our new camera. It's an 80D, Canon 80D. So
We gotta keep it.
it's a step up from the 70D.
We gotta
So
keep
it
it.
should be a little bit better than the 70D. Well, you'd think so. It looks pretty cool. It's quite heavy. And there's the battery. So we've got to put that back to here for a minute.
The battery in. Put a
We're
battery
gonna- We're
in.
going to put this battery in the charger.
Charger?
I have no idea how it goes. I think I might have
We
to take
need to do that.
no, well, I think we're going to have to take this bit here off first. I think this may come off.
It have to come off.
That's it, does come off. That's just to protect the battery. So this is the battery charger,
No.
and this is the battery. Looks pretty cool. It's quite a big battery,
That's what sweet.
and I think it just slides in there or clips in. Oh, that's it. Just clips in like that. So there it is. That's the battery recharger. That looks pretty cool. I'll turn it around. That's the back of it. It's pretty good. We plug in the cord. So we'll plug in the cord. That's it. That way. That's pretty cool. There it is. Now we're going to put on
Charge.
So we've got a full battery, so we can do some filming. So I'm gonna plug this in. So here we go. Here's the lens that we're going to put on the camera now. It's quite easy to do. See this bit here? It's got this bit here. It's just got a clip around to here. So if we put it here, clip it around, this clips on. That's pretty cool. So it's really super easy. It's all together. It's quite a nice camera. It's a really solid camera, and I certainly would highly recommend it if you want a solid camera. The performance, well, I don't know about that yet. It remains to be seen because I haven't filmed with it yet. I haven't taken any photos yet, but I'm pretty sure this is going to be a very good camera. There's great reviews out there. Okay. Okay. I'll warn you about this camera. It is a very heavy camera. So if you really want something really light to take out and do stuff out and about, this is probably going to be not for you. But great if you kind of like heavy cameras and you don't mind the weight, but it is quite heavy. And the battery's not even in it yet, so I imagine that's going to add a little bit more weight with the battery. So that will make it a bit more heavier. So this camera, I'm mainly going to use it inside. I'm certainly not going to take it bushwalking with me, or even you think that I'm doing a lot of stuff, because this I wouldn't want to carry around with me personally, but that's a personal preference. I have a smaller camera to do bushwalking and stuff, and something that's not as expensive, because if I drop this thing, I'd be really angry with myself, and I don't want to drop it on the concrete or anything like that. So for anything rough and rugged for me, I certainly would not take this out. But it depends on your experience with cameras. You might be pretty good with cameras out and about, and you're not worried about dropping it or anything, and you don't mind carrying the weight. But it is quite bulky and it is quite heavy. But it is a good quality camera. It's not too expensive. It's in the middle of the range. This camera certainly deserves the ratings that it's getting. Some great reviews out there about this camera, and it pretty well stands up to those reviews. I definitely recommend it, and hopefully I will do another review about the performance and how well it stacks up, how well it takes photos, and its performance in filming. A lot of filming, I guess, is about experience. I think a camera only can do what it can do. It depends on who is taking the film. A lot of it about filming is about the knowledge of the filmmaker. So if you're not a very good filmmaker, it's about technique. A lot of people blame their cameras. They need a better camera, but yeah, you do need a decent camera, but also you need to learn how to film and just become a better filmmaker, I guess. So this is it. This is the camera, and hopefully we will do more.